Now to a developing story in Greenbelt, where a top immigration official faced some tough questions under oath about the Trump administration's plans for Kilmar Abrego Garcia. He, of course, was mistakenly deported from Maryland to El Salvador, then brought back to the U.S., and the government has indicated he could be deported again. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren live in Greenbelt with the fiery testimony in federal court there this afternoon. Mike.
It was, Denise, more than 4 hours of it, and Abrego Garcia's legal team didn't really get a lot of specific answers. The top ICE official who testified had no direct knowledge of the case until he was asked to testify 2 days ago.
Justice for Kilmar! When do we want it? Now! Now!
Supporters of Kilmar Abrego Garcia chanted outside federal court in Greenbelt, where his attorneys hoped they would get answers about the Trump administration's plans if Abrego Garcia is released from federal custody in Tennessee next week.
And that's why she ordered that a DHS official take the stand, raise his right hand. He's going to be put under penalty of perjury, and he's going to have to give details as to what their plan is for Kilmar Abrego Garcia.
Demonstrators confronted federal prosecutors as they walked into court. Abrego Garcia's attorneys say the expert witness the government chose to testify knew nothing about the case until this week. Thomas Giles, who oversees ICE field offices, relied on an executive summary just a page and a half long and said he'd only previously heard about the case in the media.
It beggars belief that he's being released from criminal custody in 6 days. They're saying they're going to deport him to a third country, and they claim to not even know which one. I mean, I don't think anyone believes that, right? And so right now they're going to have to go under penalty of perjury and tell the truth about what their plans are going forward.
The government filed a stipulation that says if they remove Abrego Garcia to a third country, they would follow procedures set forth under law. Giles testified which country has yet to be decided and would not be until Abrego Garcia is transferred into ICE custody. Abrego Garcia's lawyers would like him brought back to Maryland and fear the government could deport him again without due process. It's your testimony that despite the focus the most senior people in government have provided about this case, an unnamed supervisor will make a decision about where he goes next, Abrego Garcia's attorney asks. Yes, Giles answers. He says the U.S. has agreements with Mexico and South Sudan. We are not going to send people to a country where they will be persecuted or tortured. Now, Abrego Garcia's lawyers have called out the Trump administration for purposely providing as little information as possible. Mr. Giles says there were no politics involved and Abrego Garcia was treated just like anyone else. Live in Greenbelt, Mike Helgren, WJZ.
All right, thank you, Mike. Well